accuser's office didn't even give me the time of day.
What the?
Someone call the police!
I got a tip that there's a turf war going on right now. If we crash the party, we could take all those sons of bitches out at once.
Hope you're strapped, player, because we about to go in hard.
I ain't gonna lie to you. When we go in there, it's gonna be rough. Julius, you sure it's cool we take this kid instead of Johnny?
Troy, you worry too much. The kid'll be fine. Don't worry, player. You stick with Troy and me, you'll be fine.
Come on, guys! Let's do this! We ain't letting you assholes hold
You never had a chance.
Get buried! Fucking around with this. I gotta keep this motherfucker loaded. Saints of You ain't got nothing on me.
Fuck around now, do you?
You ain't walking away. Your ass is mine.
Good, son.
I'm glad we found this kid.
Should've run when you had me.
Son?
I could smell it. I found my bitch. Oh, no! Pull it.
Got what it takes, kid.
You got fucking Third Street.
Step to me. Yo, cover me!
I tell you, Troy, the kid's a natural.
Fucking A, man. Can it ever be easy?
Asshole!
The cops are coming, man. We gotta lose them.
Stay right there.
right, we lost him. Drop me and Julius off at the church.
You could have killed me.
We did it, player. Saints Row's ours again. Don't think I'm finished with you yet, though. I'm holding a meeting at the church. Swing by when you can. Listen up, people. I got some serious shit to discuss. Yeah, we cleared out the row. You think for a second that's gonna stop them? Unless we wipe all these motherfuckers out, they're gonna keep coming. And they ain't gonna be happy. It ain't gonna be settled until the Canales, the Rollers, and the Vice Kings ain't nothing but a memory. Dex, you got the Canales. Ever since they hooked up with the Colombians, it's like they own this town. And with that drug money rolling in, we can't compete. Be smart how you move against them. The Lopez family been running that gang for 30 years. There's a reason they're still around.
Got it.
Troy, you dealing with the Vice Kings.
Not a chance.
Fuck you say?
Anyone but them.
You scared of going against Benjamin King?
Man, fuck that. I'll take King out.
Johnny, it's not that simple.
Bullets still kill motherfuckers, right? Doesn't get much simpler than that.
Keep an eye on your boy.
I don't need a fucking babysitter, Julius.
Keep an eye on your boy.
Who's got the rollers?
I do.
Lynn?
The fuck you wearing blue for?
I asked Lynn to hook up with the Rollers. We don't know much about these fuckers, so I wanted one of us on the inside.
I didn't think the Rollers pimped hoes.
Any other comments?
Yeah, when you punch, don't throw your shoulders so much.
Shut up, Johnny.
Hey, I'm just saying.
Once we're done here, go talk to one of these guys. They'll have something for you to do. It's our time now. Let's get this shit started.